Drop it into that other side. Big as Isla.
Homeschooling from a boat is a lot like homeschooling from a house. We use a curriculum, the kids get the core subjects needed, as well as a lot of real-life skills and experiences they normally wouldn't even receive. We track their progress and we're able to focus on each child's individual needs. We use these cool reusable notebooks rather than a stack of pencils and papers. Each kid has their own. I even have my own planner version. We use it for about a month, then we reflect and we go back clearing or cleaning it out and scanning only work that we might want to save, print, or submit for evaluations. It's a great eco-friendly option that saves us space, money, and is a little more sustainable.
like onto the float or something. Dude, he's not by the boat anymore. Daddy's just right there. Right there. Okay, he's just... Daddy, oh my God. If he gets... Oh! Daddy's on the boat. Daddy's crazy. Ooh.
Nash, don't be jumping on it.
Oh my God. How big he is?
Oh, another one.
Huge. Careful, Daddy.
Oh,
Daddy's fighting.
he's on.
Daddy, he's fighting a lot.
Get him on the boat. Get him on the boat.
Oh, baby.
He just broke off.
Oh, God.
Oh, a nice little lane snapper. Bring him up, bring him up. Oh, shoot, he got dinged in.
Hold on.
Nice.
This is a stone crab claw
Where'd you get it?
from our crab trap,
Why don't you have the whole crab?
because you're supposed to take one claw, pull it back, so then it can still defend itself, but then it can grow its claw back.
Gotcha. Is it still hot?
Yeah. Bye.
Hey, Isla, what are you eating? More snapper?
Yes.
Is it good?
Yeah.
What about you, Lola?
That's all I found on the boat. I couldn't find any JB Weld or anything like that. And my exhaust elbow here was leaking very badly, which is just the exhaust, but still, I didn't like all that salt water coming in. It was scary. So put this on there. It's been 24 hours, so we're gonna go see if it works.
We were really happy to see no water gushing in when we started our engine, so we decided to motor south just under the Causeway Bridge. It's a great spot for a few nights. It's close enough to where we can have our groceries delivered, fill our water jugs, and we're even going to get picked up to fill our propane tanks. If you don't know what Instacart is, it's our grocery delivery service. It's something that we use to have groceries delivered anywhere we are, all up and down the coast. We've even had groceries delivered in another state. We've been using them for a little over a year now, and it's probably our favorite life hack. Super convenient. They drop off the groceries wherever you want to shop from, and they bring it to the location that you choose at the time you choose.